Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. I'm not going to do any unboxing or previews today. I'm just going to show you what I have received today. So this was released in India last week and I have ordered it. I was able to get my hands on it. I was lucky. This set came and it had gone like in 20 seconds, I guess, or so. So these are the cars. These are 5 cars. Okay, I'll just put this box on the side and show you guys what we have received. What do you think this is? Can you see that? Okay, let me open this up. I don't want to damage the cards and I will try to open this without damaging anything actually. By this time you probably have idea what we are going to see. Now, but yes, it is a circuit legend set, a legendary set. This came to India and it got out of stock in seconds. And here is your Porsche 911 GT3. Look at this card art and look at this car. Isn't this crazy? This is awesome. And let's see what we have here. So probably there is not going to be a chase in this because it was limited to one set per customer and I got one only. If I was able to order 2, so maybe there was a chance that I'm getting a closed box. In that case, I would have received something. Okay. So it is going the way I wanted it to. There is no Ferrari for now, but look at this Mustang RTR. I love the car art. I love the car. And this is 1 out of 5. This was 5 out of 5. Probably this is new casting, I'm not sure, but we know which casting is the new one in this. And yes, it is a Ferrari. So this one is a Porsche. It's 917 KH. Man, I'm really digging these card arts. These card arts look awesome. Initially, I was planning to go live, but then I decided I'll just open these up first and I'll put the video. Because I'm not used to of live. I've not done a single live stream yet. And for this, something like this, I was not sure I should go live or not. But so, are you guys ready for the last 2 beauties? I can see it. I can see it. But we are going to see this first. Wow. It's a Pandem Subaru BRZ. The car is again amazing. And so is the car. And this is the most hyped one. Okay. You ready? I'm seeing this as in person first time. I'm seeing this in person. And look at this circuit legend. Ferrari 499B. The card art is amazing. The car looks great. This is so good. And I am obsessed with this set. It just came out. I just received it. So probably you guys are going to see an unboxing video very soon. Maybe this weekend, maybe. within between the weekend, next week. I don't know. We'll see. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.